Right. So, in regard to the Guidewire Claim Center integration is concerned, we have discussed about the integration gateway, integration data manager, and all in the last session. Wherein today we are going to discuss about a few things. One is about the design time. At the same time, we are even discussing about the runtime also. These are the two things we must be knowing. So, if you see as the Guidewire claims integration gateway, when we are talking about the design time itself is concerned, wherein we support a case to enable integration data manager. At the same time, we also create a draft package for that. Right. So setting up configuration resources, including what are the kind of pools and as well as schemas that organize the documents which are to be stored. So that using the administration, user interfaces and all, whatever are we uploading into the JSON schema for the pool to enable any kind of validations or document to the pool whenever it is required. Next, we also grant one or more integration gateway applications, majorly to access the pool through the administration user interface pool details screen. If the schema need to be changed and all, we need to use it for administration user interfaces or the integration data manager REST API, all that. Second one about the runtime part. When we try to understand about the runtime integration gateway application, which retrieves the documents from the third-party sources and as well as storing any JSON representation of the documents in the pool. And each document must comply with the schema for the pool. If a document does not comply, the update will result in an error or in burning, depending on the pool schema, validation settings, and all these. Next, when it comes to the integration gateways application, whatever the multiple versions of the schema as well as the documents that we are writing, which majorly compiles with older schema versions. These schema versions must be specified in the post documentation API call by latest schema versions which are assumed. So when there is any written to integration data manager, that document ID which is written here, which requires some kind of search we need to do for document addition based on the secondary attributes. Typically, the integration gateway application makes any kind of call to the claim center or any policy center assessment APIs to provide it with any standard information about the assessment along with the document ID, all that. Last but not least, when we are working on the claim center or the policy center, which can then retrieve using any document ID or any platform client, we can use this information in the business logic, or else we can pass the information to an embedded Jetro page or any page configuration PCF pages for any further display purpose, all that.